Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Acura ILX headlight. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket wrench, and a plastic trim removal tool. Having the correct replacement bulb is crucial, so double-check your vehicle's requirements. These simple preparations will make the entire process much smoother and help you avoid any unnecessary frustration. Let's get started with the first step. To access the headlight, begin by removing 2 plastic clips located on the top of your bumper cover. Next, you'll need to detach 3 clips that secure the fender liner, which is positioned near the headlight. Once these clips are out, gently pull back the fender liner. This action will reveal the bolts holding the headlight assembly in place, giving you the necessary access to proceed with the replacement. Take your time with each step. Now, unscrew the 3 10mm bolts that secure the entire headlight assembly. Once these bolts are removed, carefully pull the headlight assembly forward. This will give you enough space to reach the bulb. To remove the old bulb, twist it counterclockwise and pull it out. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Twist the new bulb clockwise to secure it. After installing the new bulb, reconnect the electrical connector to ensure it's properly powered. Then, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position. Secure it by tightening the 3 10mm bolts you removed earlier. Reattach the fender liner clips and the bumper cover clips. Finally, test your new headlight to confirm it's working correctly before driving. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.